Ideally, replace your filter every 6 months or every 1,000 litres, whichever comes first. And use genuine Proboil filters purchased at Proboil.2X. Before you start, you'll need a new filter, a bucket, a permanent marker and a cloth. For 3-in-1 taps that only dispense 98-degree hot water, make sure the tap is off, then pull the filter off the wall bracket. Make a note of the direction of flow. It's important that the flow follows the arrows on the filter from top to bottom. Whilst holding the filter over a bucket, pull the blue pipe out of the bottom of the filter. It's a push the collar down whilst pulling the pipe action like this. Let any excess water drain and then remove the pipe from the top of the filter. Unpack your new filter and remove the plugs from both ends. Check both ends of the pipe for wear and cut new clean ends if required. Write on the installation date now. Push the blue inlet pipe fully into the top of the filter. Check the flow direction on the filter. For 3-in-1 taps dispensing only 98-degree hot water, hold the filter over the bucket and turn on your tap's 98-degree water handle. Flush at least 2 litres of water or until it runs clear, and then turn the tap off. Fully push the blue outlet pipe into the bottom of the filter and push the filter back into the wall bracket. Now you can turn on your tap's 98-degree water handle and purge any air from the system. Some spitting may occur, so please take care, the water will be still hot. Run the water for a further 5 minutes to flush water through the filter. Reset your boiler's filter life indicator by pressing and holding the minus and plus buttons together. All genuine Proboil.2X filters can be recycled. For more information, visit our website.